Hello. So in order for this application to work, we first need to activate a add-in that I have created in Fusion 360, and then let's run our application. Now it will get order information using a webhook from a Shopify app. So these are all the order information. We can edit each of them if needed, and we can create a new one, over here if needed. But most of the time, we will just click on process all and it will start the automation pipeline. So a couple things you will notice. At first, this output folder will start to get new folders. So there will be 5 folders at the end of it for each order, and you will also see that the Fusion 360 app will also do its thing. And what is present inside each of these folders. So in order to see that, let's open this output folder, and so and each of them have the DXF files, which most of the cases we won't need. What we need is these SVG files, which are correctly color coded according to client demand. So what my app does is, so if process is completed, so the overview of my app is it gets order from a Shopify app using webhook, and then it takes those information and get DXF file from Fusion 360, and then it converts that DXF file to SVG file, and then color codes it correctly so that the file can be directly transferred to a laser cutting machine. That's all. Thank you.